Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. Today we're talking about the Miele Triflex. This is an awesome machine. This is the HX2 Lotus. It's the standard edition. Very nice unit, very good vacuum. It's nice because it fully stands upright like this. Unlike the Dysons, you have to lean them over against something. You have no trigger to constantly have to squeeze. You just hit these buttons forward, the machine kicks on. You don't have to constantly squeeze anything or hold the trigger down for it to engage. This actually has a 3-in-1 design, so this can go from an upright to a stick vacuum. You can also make it into a handheld vacuum to do furniture, steps, vehicles, things like that. It comes with 3 attachments: your dusting brush, crevice tool, and upholstery tool. It has a self-cleaning filter in here, so if you just turn this clockwise 10 times, it actually has a thing that agitates the inside of the HEPA filter. It cleans the HEPA filter for you. Nice large dust bin. This has the auto detect, so it can detect whether you're on carpet or hardwood floors. You have to do absolutely nothing. It changes all for you. You have to do nothing with this. This comes with a nice 1-year warranty. On the bottom here, this has an easy to change. I know people get the pet hair tangled on the rollers, so this makes it nice. You just hit this button, you remove that, pop that up, and the whole brush roll comes out. That way you can clean the roller, stick the roller back in, lock it in, close it up. Very nice, easy, quick, efficient, very good vacuum. On this is eco setting, it has a 60-minute run life on the eco setting, which is very, very nice, which is your mid-run level. The only time you really need to put it in high is for tough, deep pile carpet. Very good vacuum. If you guys would like to see a demo on this, come by and use it. Or if you have any questions, please give us a call at 703-997-9292. Thank you guys.